Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening the scene and immediately adding a light object so you can see results. In the hierarchy, right-click, choose light, then pick directional, point, spot, or area. Each behaves differently. Directional lights a whole scene, point emits in 360 degrees, spot focuses a cone. Once added, you should position or rotate the light and inspect its type, range, and spot angle in the inspector, so you understand how intensity and distance will influence shading and performance. Next, you tune brightness and realism by adjusting intensity, color, and range so the light reads correctly in your environment. Once done, enable shadows and pick none, hard, or soft. Shadows add realism but cost performance. Set shadow resolution and bias to eliminate acne and Peter Panning. Make sure to use culling mask or light layers to restrict what the light affects, and add cookies for patterned light. This combination controls both visual fidelity and runtime cost. To finish, decide on real-time versus mixed or baked modes. Bake static lights for performance and use mixed when you need movable objects. Next, configure light map parameters, ensure proper UVs, then run lighting generate lighting to create light maps. This reduces runtime cost and stabilizes indirect lighting. If something goes wrong, odd seams, shadow acne, or blotches, adjust shadow bias, increase light map resolution, verify UVs, disable auto-generate, and rebake. This troubleshooting step usually resolves most lighting artifacts quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.